Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, French and Spanish grammar adjustments, I'm going to show you two Python plugins that are built into Eclipse 11 that will help you if you translate in either French or Spanish, and they'll do it automatically. The French and Spanish grammar adjustments are available with Eclipse 11. In order to use them, there are no special dictionary entries or anything of the sort. All you have to do is enable them. To do so, go to Support, Plugins, Manage Plugins, and if for some reason you don't see French grammar adjustment and/or Spanish grammar adjustment, just hit the System Update button. Once you have the French and/or Spanish grammar adjustment plugins, all you have to do to start taking advantage of them is select them and hit Enable. And I'll enable both of mine, and then press OK, and restart Eclipse as prompted. When you go back into Eclipse, and you translate in either French or Spanish, you'll now automatically be able to take advantage of these automatic grammar corrections. We hope that these tools will help make some of your foreign language translations work even more smoothly. And as a reminder, don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support can be reached with any question, anytime, including weekends and holidays, at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thank you so much and have a great day.